This is a step-by-step guide on how to make bath soap at home using your favorite fragrance. Ingredients are as follows. First, you will need a soap base, which can either be a melted glycerin soap base or a natural base like shea butter or goat's milk. Then a fragrance. You will also need a natural colorants like mica powder, dried herbs, or exfoliants, for example, oatmeal, coffee grounds. A soap mold, silicone molds, or any shape you prefer, preferably a double boiler or microwave-safe bowl. And finally, a mixing tools such as a spatula, spoon, or whisk. Please remember to subscribe, share, and like this channel so as never to miss out on my latest videos. Now for the instructions. First, prepare your soap base by melting in a saucepan or pot. Ensure to cut your soap base into small chunks to ensure even melting. You can melt the soap base gently. If using a microwave, heat it in 20 to 30 second intervals, stirring each time to avoid overheating. If using a double boiler, place the soap base in the top section and allow it to melt 15 drops of your favorite fragrance oil, essential oil, or fragrance oil. Stir well to ensure the fragrance is evenly distributed throughout the soap. Add any other ingredient that you would like for your health benefit, such as turmeric powder or ground coffee. If you want to add color, stir in your natural colorant or mica powder at this stage. Add herbs, exfoliants such as add dried herbs like lavender, rose petals, or natural exfoliants like oatmeal or coffee grounds for texture and extra skin benefits. Now pour mixture into molds based on the shape you desire for your soap. Tap the mold gently on the counter to remove any air bubbles. Allow the soap to harden and cool in the mold for about 1 to 2 hours at room temperature. You can also place it in the refrigerator for faster cooling. Once the soap is fully hardened, gently remove it from the mold. Your homemade fragrant bath soap is ready to use or gifted. Store your soap in a cool, dry place. Keep it in an airtight container or wrap it in plastic wrap to preserve its fragrance. You may try to experiment with different combinations of essential oils for unique scents, like lavender for relaxation or peppermint for a refreshing feel. Try this out and come back here and let me know how you like your own soap.